Can you actually lose weight without changing your diet? Let's talk about it. First up, exercise. Jump rope. If you're just sitting, you're burning maybe 50 calories an hour. But with jump rope, that number shoots up to around 560 calories per hour. Now, since half a pound of fat is about 3,800 calories, you'd need to jump rope for roughly 5.5 hours straight to burn it off. Walking. A brisk walk burns about 340 calories per hour. That means 10 hours of fast walking to lose half a pound. Laughing. Believe it or not, laughing for 10 minutes burns about 40 calories. So if you wanted to laugh off half a pound of fat, you'd be laughing for over 14 hours. Fidgeting. Little movements. Tapping your feet, moving your hands, burn about 50 extra calories an hour. But it would take 70 hours of fidgeting to burn half a pound. Cold showers. A 15-minute cold shower can burn around 100 calories because your body has to work to heat itself back up. Do that daily for about 4 weeks, and you could burn half a pound of fat. Donating blood. Each donation uses about 350 calories as your body replaces what you've given. 14 donations equals, you guessed it, half a pound of fat. So yeah, technically you can lose weight without changing your diet. But as you can see, it's a lot of work for a tiny result. Now let's talk food. One slice of pizza? Around 285 calories. To burn that off, you'd have to run about 3 miles. A big, heavy breakfast, think fried breads, meats, beans, and a milkshake, can easily hit 2,000 calories. To balance that out, you'd need to bike hard for 4 hours. And that's just breaking even, not even losing weight. Here's the truth. Exercise only accounts for about 15% of fat loss. The other 85%? That comes from diet. No way around it. Now don't get me wrong, exercise is awesome. I love it, I do it, and I recommend it. It builds strength, improves your health, boosts your energy. But if you're relying on exercise alone to shrink your belly, you're setting yourself up for frustration. So what really matters? Keeping insulin low. When insulin is high, you feel hungry all the time and cravings kick in. When insulin is low, your appetite naturally drops. No hunger, no stress eating, no constant fight with cravings. That's the real secret to sticking with fat loss. How do you lower insulin? Cut carbs? Not just sugar, but hidden carbs. Bread, pasta, cereals, pizza, pastries, sauces, all the flour-based stuff. Keep it under 50 grams of carbs a day. Some people even go full carnivore. Meat, fish, eggs, cheese. Super simple, super effective, but not always sustainable long-term. Still, it works fast because carbs drop to 0. And here's something powerful. Once carbs are down, intermittent fasting gets easier. You're simply not hungry. You might start eating 2 meals a day, then 1. Eventually, you might go long stretches without eating at all, not because you're forcing it, but because your body is running on stored fat. That's what fasting really is. Not starving, but fueling yourself with your own body fat. And when that happens, inflammation drops, blood pressure comes down, blood sugar stabilizes, even mood improves. It's like giving your body a reset button. So here's the bottom line. Too many carbs. Our fat burning shuts down. Exercise helps, but it's just a small push. Real fat loss happens when you change your diet. Can you lose a little weight without changing how you eat? Sure. But real lasting fat loss? That only happens in the kitchen. Take care of yourself. And remember, diet first. Exercise for fitness.